With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello student, the problem is how many of the following are dilution independent in case of solution. So first is given M equivalent of solute, moles of solute, percentage by mass, mole fraction, molarity, molarity, percentage by strength and normality. So first we write what is the meaning of this dilution dependent and dilution independent. So what is the meaning of dilution? The meaning of dilution is if we have a solute only, then we add some dilution, we add here dilution. So this will be either this will a solvent, or in the case of solution, this solution and solvent both have by diluting. So if any quantity have these two things, either solution or solvent, that means this is a dilution dependent. So first quantity is what? First we know that what is first is M equivalent. So what is equivalent weight? We know that the formula of equivalent weight is equals to molecular weight of solute divided by X factor, or we can say N factor. What is this N factor? N factor depend upon structure. So this is depend upon structure, and this is the solute. So this either this is a solvent or solution. No, here is not the solution, not the solvent. That means this is a solution independent. So here we can write this is dilution independent. Now second is what? What is our second? Second is moles of solute. So mole of solute. So what is the formula of mole? Mole is equals to weight in gram divided by molecular weight. So here we can write weight in gram divided by molecular weight. Here we write molecular weight. So now what is this? This is a weight in gram. So this is weight of solute, because moles of solute. So this is also the weight of solute. So this is solute, and here is molecular weight, and molecular weight of solute also. So this is also the dilution independent. And other quantities are, we have one by one we solve all the quantities. So third quantity is what? Third is percentage by mass. So what is percentage by mass formula? This is mass of solute. Here we can write mass of solute divided by mass of solution. So first thing, here mass of solute and divided by mass of solution into 100. This is mass of solution into 100. Here this is a solution. We know that if any one quantity have solution or solvent, this is dilution dependent. So this quantity is dilution dependent. Now fourth quantity is what? Fourth says mole fraction. So what about mole fraction? We know that mole fraction denoted by zeta. So let's say we have a two component A and B, and we are finding the value of zeta A. So what is the formula of zeta A? Mole fraction of A. This says number of moles of A and divided by total moles Na plus Nb. And this Na plus Nb meaning is what? This meaning this is solution, that means solute plus solvent. If this quantity have solvent, that means this is a dilution dependent. So here we can write this is dilution dependent. Now fourth quantity is what? Fourth is molarity. So fifth quantity now molarity. So molarity, capital M. So this formula is number of moles divided by volume. So number of moles of solute divided by volume of solution in liter. So this have a solution. So this is also the dilution dependent. Now sixth quantity is what? Sixth quantity is molality. Here we write molality. So Molality denoted by small m. And what is the formula of molality? Molality formula is number of moles of solute, or we can say anything which we are finding the molality of what? Number of moles of solute divided by weight of solvent in kg. So this is the formula of molality. So if we are writing this molality formula, this molality, so if this is a weight in solvent, that means this is also the dilution dependent, because this is a solvent and solvent have dilution, that means this is dilution dependent. And another thing is percentage by strength. So seventh is percentage by strength. Percentage by strength. What is the meaning of percentage by strength? Mass of solvent, mass of solute, mass of solute, mass of solute divided by volume of solution, volume in liter. We have any quantity, so into 100. If here is volume, that means this is also the solution dependent, dilution dependent. So this quantity is also dilution dependent. Now last is what? Last is strength. Last, no, not last, this is second last, strength. So if percentage by strength is dilution dependent, then strength is also dilution dependent, but we can write the formula over here. So formula is same, mass of solute divided by volume of solution divided by volume of solution, volume in liter. Here is not 100 because this is a percentage, so here is 100. This is also dilution dependent, we know that. Now last is normality. So last is normality. And what is the formula of normality? Normality formula is n factor multiply with molarity. Molarity is what? Number of moles divided by volume of solution in liter. This is in liter. So this is a volume, so this is also dilution dependent. So question says how many of following are dilution independent. So only two are dilution independent. First is this and second is moles of solute and molecular. This is the equivalent weight. So only two quantities. Here we write the final answer is two quantities. 2 is the answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.